China is provoking India at every turn, just as it is doing with the United States, and Washington is committed to accelerating progress and strengthening India's defense capacity to deter Chinese provocations, a senior Biden administration official has told lawmakers. India's relationship with China is right now going through a very difficult phase after Beijing violated agreements not to bring the military forces to the eastern Ladakh border. Assistant Secretary of State for South and Central India, Donald Lu, told members of the Senate Subcommittee on the Near East, South Asia, Central Asia and Counterterrorism, just as an increasingly provocative China is challenging the United States, it is also provoking India at every turn. He said India staged a diplomatic boycott of the Beijing Olympic Games after China selected the regiment commander responsible for the attack on the Indian border that resulted in the death of 20 Indian soldiers in 2020 as an Olympic torchbearer. Beijing also recently published new China maps reiterating claims to large swaths of territory in the Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh, renaming its cities with the new Chinese names.